just like we did, all right? Okay, follow on. I got your twins right here. Gotta follow me first. Now look, don't take this serious. Just have fun, all right? Do everything I do, like Simon says. First move, check out the hands. You got it, you got it. All right, get the shoulders, get the shoulders. All right, get the neck, get the neck. All right. Now look, we're gonna walk over here real cool, real slow. I'm gonna walk first to show you how to do it. Both of y'all walk at the same time, all right? It's easy, look, you just go like this, look. Let's go. All right, look, spread the legs a little bit, like this. Now twerk it for the ladies, twerk it for the ladies, twerk it. Okay, all right. All right, warm up the hands, warm up the hands. Okay, fist like this. Other fist, Bruno. Other fist, white chocolate. Okay. Okay, crowd, are y'all ready? No. There's a lot more people here than that. Crowd, are y'all ready? Now, kids, you guys probably won't know this song. Everybody else will. Just follow me. Give me some music for me, my man Bruno Mars, and my main man White Chocolate. Same time, y'all.
Punch.
That's right, y'all.
Punch.
That's right, White Chocolate.
Punch. 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 Punch.
Y'all ready?
Here we go. Everybody clap like this. Everybody clap like this.
Now listen up, folks, listen up. This is what we do this for. If you really